Hello and welcome to YQ Academy tutorials. My name is Priyanka and topic for today's discussion is finding reference type elements in array in JavaScript. So let's discuss how to find elements that are actually reference type in JavaScript. So we have three approaches to determine if an object is present in an array or not. We have filter approach, then we have find, and lastly we have find index. First, let's discuss about filter approach, that is filter method. So for that, let me use var keyword and I'm declaring an object and I'm taking object name as person. Now let me write values in it. So first array I'm taking as here property is name and I'm giving name as let's say Harry. Another property I'm taking as age and I'm giving age as 37. Let's initialize three more values in it. And lastly, let's take now let's use our first approach, that is filter method. So I'm using this table to see the result in a particular table. Then I use this filter method and this is our object name. So I'm going to see particular persons whose age is less than 35. So to see the output, let me write node and then the file name, that is find element.js, and on clicking the enter button we can see the output as age less than 35. So only this Ron having age less than 35, so we can see the output as this. Now let's use our second method, that is find method. So let me comment over here find. Okay, and this is our first method, that is filter method. Let me write over here. So let me declare an array over here. So I'm taking object name as ARR and let's give elements in it. Now let's find the object whose ID is 3. So for that, let me write. Now to see the output, let me write in the terminal window, let's write node and then the file name, that is find element.js, and on clicking the enter button we can see the output. Okay, sorry, here I forgot to write this. Okay, so on clicking enter button we can see the output as this. So here this code is to find the object whose id is 3, and here we can see the output as this. So here that particular element id 3, so it can be seen over here as output. Now let's use our third method, that is find index. So let me write over here find index. So I'm taking keyword as where and I'm taking label name as language. Okay, lang. So let me write few values in it. So I'm taking first element as this. Here name as let's say JavaScript. Let's take another element name and here I'm taking Java. Now let me write like this method name. Now to see the output, let me write if this Java is present in our object or not. So let me write this variable name has Java. Let's see the output. So here we can see the output as 1, which means that this Java is present. Let me show you one more example. Let's see the output. So it will give -1. Let's see the output first. So here we can see the output as -1 because this Python is not present over here. So here the output is -1. This Python, since this Python is not present over here. So this is all about finding elements that are actually reference type in array in JavaScript.